If you've been wondering whether the Grammarly add-in is still available, the short answer is no, not the old standalone Microsoft Office add-in. Grammarly has officially discontinued that older version, and it's no longer supported or updated. In fact, it has been fully removed from Word for Mac, so if you were looking for the classic add-in, that option is gone. But don't worry, because there is still a modern way to get Grammarly working with Microsoft Word and Outlook. In this video, I'll show you the current setup step by step, and I'll also show you the browser option for Google Docs and Word for the web. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, instead of searching for the old Office add-in, go to the official Grammarly desktop page. This is the correct place to get the current version that works with Microsoft Office apps. Once you're there, download the Grammarly installer for your computer. Make sure you choose the version for Windows or Mac, depending on what system you're using. After the download finishes, open the installer and run it. Follow the setup prompts on screen and let Grammarly finish installing on your device. Next, sign into your Grammarly account. If you don't already have one, you can create one during the process. Once you sign in, the desktop app will connect to your account and begin preparing the Office integration. After installation is complete, open Microsoft Word or Outlook. You should now see the Grammarly widget or side panel appear automatically as you work. That means the desktop app is now handling the integration instead of the old add-in. From there, you can start typing, and Grammarly will give you writing suggestions, grammar corrections, and style improvements right inside your document or email. If you're using Word for the web or Google Docs, the setup is a little different. For browser-based apps, install the Grammarly for Chrome extension instead. Once the extension is added to your browser and you're signed in, Grammarly will work inside supported online editors as you type. So if you were asking, is the Grammarly add-in still available? The answer is that the old Microsoft Office add-in is no longer available, but the newer desktop apps and browser extension are the replacement options. That's the important difference to remember. Use Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly for Mac for Microsoft Office integration, and use the Chrome extension for browser-based writing tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.